Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix high system storage in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear device, clear app cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search device care, click on device care, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, device care clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset, open settings, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, storage, picture, video, files, documents will be erased, delete, or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix high system storage in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.